Hi everyone, welcome to Auto Mechanist channel once again. And in my last two videos, I introduced our product of two car ceiling strips. And today I'm going to introduce you more ceiling strips product. And it's a little bit different. You know, in my last two videos, they are used for car door ceiling strip. But today I'm going to introduce you one and used on different parts for the car and used on the rear windshield part. Okay, and again it is made of high quality EPDM rubber and soft and flexible and environmentally safe to use and prevent water, dust, and tree leaves and debris gathering on your car rear windshield. Let's open it and take a look. And for this product, you see, and we have two specifications. One is 2 meters long and the other is 3 meters long. And let's take a closer look. You see here, it's different. It's a Y-shaped design. You see here a little Y, like English letter Y. So we call it a Y-shaped design ceiling strip. And it's soft. If you touch it, it's soft and flexible and a little elastic. And the Y-shaped design, you know, will have a better ceiling effect. And when you put it on your rear car rear windshield part, you know, insert it and provides a better ceiling effect. And in the rainy days and especially stormy days, and tree leaves and maybe debris easy to gather on your rear windshield and makes your car look dirty and messy. But this one can really help prevent the dust, water, and debris getting into your car. And even the outside is with messy, but the car inside is still clean, and you don't need to worry to look. And this one is very easy to install, as you see here. And there is a adhesive tape on the back of the strip, and when you need to install it, it's as easy as the last two. And you find the position and wipe out the dirt and the stains and completely clean it and gently remove the tape and paste it on the position. And you will see it's strong and durable. When you feel it, you still feel it's strong and durable. And make sure it has a long life to help your car. So extend the car life even. And we'll spend some minutes outside and show you how to install it and send you a whole picture of its effect. Hi there, we are with the car now. We are going to show you how to install this Y-shaped strip, ceiling strip. And the first step, you need to clean your car very clean, completely clean your car. And use the white towel to clean first, then use a dry towel to complete it thoroughly. Okay, we'll start from this part and put it firmly and remove the tape gently. Okay, let's open the trunk. Okay. And we need to cut off the extra. So this is the whole effect. You can see it's, sealing well. You may do the same on the other side of this part. Thank you very much for your support. I really hope my introduction can help you with your purchasing online. If you find my video helpful, useful, and please like it and subscribe our channel. We will provide more videos to you, and thank you for watching.